Hello, everyone! Welcome back. I'm Noor.
And I'm Adam. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Before we start, quick reminder. If you're learning English and you want real conversations that actually help you speak better,
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
because when you subscribe, you're not just supporting us.
You're supporting your own English journey.
Today, we're talking about something small but super confusing.
Yes, 3 tiny words that confuse almost every English learner.
Be, been, and being.
When beginners hear these words, they panic. They think, oh no, grammar time.
But relax, today there's no grammar stress,
No boring rules on a whiteboard.
no complicated definitions.
Just conversation, real life, easy English.
And by the end of this video, you'll feel more confident.
Not perfect, but confident.
And confidence is way more important than perfection.
Always.
Okay, let me ask you something, Adam.
Sure.
When you were learning English, did you ever feel scared to speak?
All the time, I was so afraid of making mistakes.
Same here.
I remember thinking, what if I use the wrong word?
What if people laugh at me?
Exactly.
And I know many of you watching right now feel the same way.
So if you're sitting there thinking, I'm not good at English,
Let me stop you right there.
yes, stop that thought.
You're not bad at English,
You're just learning.
and learning takes time.
Exactly. No one becomes fluent overnight.
Now, let's come back to our 3 words.
Be, been, and being.
They look similar, right?
They sound similar,
But they're used in completely different moments of life.
not grammar moments.
Life moments.
That's the key.
All right, let's start with this simplest one.
The word be,
Be is like a base word.
a starting point,
We often use be when we talk about something general,
or something that's not fixed yet,
like a dream.
or advice.
Let me give you a very easy example.
Please do.
Okay, I say, I want to be confident in English.
Nice sentence.
I'm not saying I am confident right now.
And you're not saying you were confident before.
I'm talking about a wish,
A goal.
something I want in my future,
Exactly. So be is often connected to dreams.
or advice.
For example, a teacher might say, be quiet, please.
Or a friend says, be careful crossing the street.
Or your mom says, be kind to your sister.
These are not long actions,
They're simple ideas.
and very common in daily English.
Let me ask you something, Noor.
Go ahead.
If I say, I want to be happy, is that correct?
Yes, perfect. Simple English, very natural.
No stress?
No stress at all.
Okay, everyone watching, let's practice together.
Yes, say it with us.
I want to be, and then you finish.
Maybe successful,
Maybe confident.
maybe better at English.
That's be.
Simple, right?
Very simple.
Okay, now let's move forward slowly.
Yes, no rushing.
Let's talk about been.
Ah, yes, this one scares people.
People always ask me, Noor, when do I use been?
And they look really worried.
So let's calm everyone down,
Been is usually connected to the past.
but not just any past.
It's about experience.
Something that happened before.
Let me give a simple example.
Please.
I have been tired all day.
That feels natural.
I'm talking about my experience, my feeling earlier today.
You're explaining why you feel tired now.
Exactly.
Another example.
I have been to Paris.
Oh, very common sentence.
I'm not saying I am in Paris now.
And you're not saying you will go to Paris.
I'm saying I experienced it before.
So, been often means I was there or I experienced it.
Exactly.
Okay, listeners, this is important.
You don't need to remember grammar names.
Just remember the feeling,
Been equals experience.
life experience, good or bad.
For example, I've been nervous speaking English.
Oh, yes, very honest sentence.
Many of you feel that.
But you're trying.
You're listening right now.
You're improving.
And that's something to be proud of.
Absolutely.
One more important thing about been.
Yes?
It never stands alone.
What do you mean?
You can't just say, I been tired.
Oh, right, that sounds wrong.
You need to say, I have been tired.
Or she has been busy.
Exactly. Been needs a partner.
It needs have or has.
Think of been as a word that doesn't like being alone.
That's cute. Been is social.
Yes, it always wants company.
All right, now let's talk about the third word,
Yes, the most interesting one.
being.
This word talks about now,
Something happening at this moment.
or around this time.
For example, I say, I'm being honest with you.
That means right now, in this moment.
Another example.
The child is being very quiet today.
That means today, not always.
But today, yes.
So, being is temporary,
Yes, it can change.
like moods.
Or situations.
Let's compare.
Okay?
I say, he is quiet. That sounds like his personality.
But he is being quiet. That sounds like right now, just today.
Exactly.
See? No heavy grammar.
Just feeling.
We also use being to talk about behavior.
Especially temporary behavior.
Imagine you meet a friend who is usually very cheerful.
But today, they're quiet.
You might say, "You're being very quiet today. Is everything okay?"
That sentence doesn't judge the person.
It only notices this moment.
That's why being feels emotional.
It notices change.
Another example from real life.
Go ahead.
Imagine a couple at home.
Uh-oh, that's great.
One person says, "Why are you being so quiet today?"
That means today is different from usual.
But if they say, "Why are you so quiet?" that sounds more like a complaint.
Exactly. Being softens the sentence.
It feels less attacking.
This is why grammar is not just rules.
It's emotion.
It's tone.
It's relationship.
Okay, now let's connect all three words together.
Yes, let's use one real-life situation.
Imagine someone learning English.
They say, I want to be fluent one day.
That's a goal, a dream.
Then they say, I have been practicing every night.
That shows effort over time.
And finally, I'm being more confident when I speak now.
That shows change in behavior right now.
Same person,
Same journey.
3 different words.
3 different meanings.
And when you understand them like this,
They stop feeling scary.
they start feeling useful,
And most importantly, they start coming naturally when you speak.
which is exactly what we want.
Okay, now let's talk about mistakes.
Because honestly, this is where most learners panic.
But making mistakes is not a crime.
It's actually a sign that you're trying.
Silence is more dangerous than a wrong sentence.
Let's look at a very common mistake.
People say, I am been tired.
Yes, I hear this a lot,
That sentence sounds familiar, right?
but it's wrong.
However, it's a good mistake.
What do you mean?
It shows the person is thinking about past and present together.
They understand the idea.
They just need to fix the structure.
So let's fix it gently.
We don't say, I am been tired,
We say, I have been tired.
because been needs support.
It needs have or has.
Remember, been is social.
It doesn't like being alone.
Another funny one.
What?
People say, I'm being happy today.
Yes, I've read that too.
The idea is correct.
But the structure is not.
The correct sentence is, I am being happy today.
Or more naturally, I'm being very positive today.
See? Small change, big difference.
And if you make these mistakes, don't stop talking.
Continue the sentence.
Flow matters more than perfection.
Communication first, grammar later.
All right, let's quickly recap everything.
B, dreams, advice, goals.
I want to be confident.
Been, experience, past to present.
I have been practicing.
Being, temporary behavior, happening now.
I'm being more confident.
Simple, right?
Very simple.
And remember, you don't need to master this today.
Just understand it.
And use it slowly.
Even one sentence a day is enough.
Before we finish, let me say something important.
Yes,
English is not a test.
it's a tool,
And tools are meant to be used.
not locked away because you're scared.
If you found this video helpful,
Please hit the like button
and subscribe to our channel.
because we make videos like this every week.
Real conversations.
No boring grammar.
Just easy English for real life.
And here's a challenge for you.
In the comments below, write one sentence using be, been, or being.
Any sentence.
Don't worry if it's wrong.
We'll read every comment
And we'll help you if you need it.
because this is your space to practice.
No judgment.
Just learning. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.
Keep practicing.
Keep believing in yourself.
And remember,
English is about connection, not perfection. See you in the next video.
bye everyone.